Now I'm going to make some Greek coffee. Actually, I learned to make this Greek coffee when I was visiting Greece, Athens, and there's a lot of tradition around it. They have some equipment that is very traditional, but I found this little machine that makes Greek or Turkish coffee automatically. So this is how it works. You just put 2 scoops of Greek or Turkish coffee, a little bit more. Put how much sugar you'd like. Oh, it should off automatically, but no problem. And the amount of water for 2 cups. 1 and 2. That's it. You don't need to stir, you don't need to do anything. Just put in the machine, press the button, and it should be ready in about 90 seconds. So I'm just going to keep it running and just show a couple other stuff. These are some cups that I bought at Starbucks in Athens. See, Starbucks. But the funny thing is that they did not serve Greek coffee at the Starbucks in Greece. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but I guess they wanted to give the American taste of coffee for the locals. And this is interesting enough. This is Turkish coffee, and apparently they're made with Brazilian coffee beans. Go figure. It's one of the best. I'm just using regular sugar. The traditional way to have Greek coffee, they put the amount of sugar that I'm not going to venture in trying to say in Greece, but essentially no sugar, medium sugar, or high sugar, or glucose, like they call. I put probably a lot of sugar, so this is going to be a little bit sweeter than the traditional, but let's see how it goes. So it's almost finishing. You can hear that the water is boiling. It has some light sensors inside the garage that will detect when the water is rising, and it should off the machine. And interesting enough, it's going to tap the garage on top of the machine, so the sediment falls to the bottom of the cup. Check it out. It's going to pop at any minute now. Do you hear that? So when you see somebody doing this the traditional way on the stove, they normally wait the water to boil, and then they tap the brick or the cup, the carafe, right on top of the stove, and then the machine does exactly that automatically. So let's see how it goes. You can see coffee is ready. So let me try to pour 1 cup here and try not to make a mess. So here you go, Greek coffee.